Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookie game Squid Game. To begin, you'll need just two common ingredients, sugar and baking soda. We'll guide you through the straightforward process of melting, mixing, and shaping this unique honeycomb candy. Then, we'll show you how to play the exciting challenge, carefully carving out a shape without breaking the brittle candy. It's a fun and delicious activity for everyone to try. For this delightful candy, you'll need two essential ingredients, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and about 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Beyond that, gather a few simple tools. A small, heat-resistant ladle is perfect for melting the sugar, and a pair of chopsticks will help with stirring. Don't forget a non-stick mat or parchment paper and your favorite cookie cutters to press the shapes. Now for the cooking. Place 2 tablespoons of sugar in your ladle and heat it over medium-low flame. Stir constantly with chopsticks until the sugar completely melts and turns into a clear, amber liquid. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Quickly remove from heat, add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and stir vigorously until it becomes light and foamy. Immediately pour it onto your prepared surface. Once poured, let the candy cool for about 30 seconds. Then, firmly press your chosen cookie cutter into the warm, pliable candy. Allow it to cool completely for another minute or two. The real challenge begins now. Using a needle or toothpick, carefully trace and remove the press shape from the surrounding candy. The objective is to extract the shape perfectly, without any breaks or cracks. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.